Hello, welcome to this video. Let's learn for loop in Python. For loop in Python is not same like that what we learn in C, C++ or Java. In Python, we use for loop for iterating over a sequence that is list, tuple, string, dictionary or using range functions. With the for loop, we can execute set of statements under it once for each item in the sequence. For example, here it is in syntax, keyword for variable in sequence and code block under it. So for and in are the keyword and variable and sequence are identifier used by the user. Code block under for loop is indented. So all the statement comes under for loop must be indented. So here I will show you demo of for loop using sequence. So for example, suppose I create a sequence list L1 is equal to list is given in square bracket. Suppose 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, 5. Okay, this is the list. So using list, I iterate for loop over this list. So I'll show use keyword for and say I variable I in keyword L1 colon enter and next line that is the statement under for must be written uh, must be indented, that means I'll give one space. Okay, then I will print hi. Okay, only this much and this high will just check it. I will print uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That is number of elements present in the list, in the sequence list. So I'll run this program. So this is high get printed 5 times. I can print this variable as well. Suppose I wanted to print it like this, I, comma, I. So when I run this program, this will print 1 high, 2 high, 3, like this. So I can iterate over mm, for loop using string as well. Suppose for example, if I declare string str equal to suppose in the string if I pass India. Okay. So here only I'll mention instead of L1, I wanted to iterate over string str. So for in I in str. When I write this and when I run this, so it will be India. Suppose I wanted to count number of letters. So simply here I what I'll do, I will say use one variable over here x equal to 1 and then here I'll put x comma I and I'll remove this I in bracket. Okay. Then another statement, one more statement I wanted to put under for loop, that is x is equal to x plus 1. So now just check the code. So here it is the code output I, that is value of I will get printed and x, that is 1 1 I, then x get incremented by 1, so 2 and second letter n, that is value of I in this str. So every time I will take value from this string and that will get printed.